Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of complete multi-vendor e-commerce website. So this is the latest version script of Active e-commerce script, and it is a new in market and it has very amazing look. So you can create your complete e-commerce website using this script, and if you want us to build this complete site for you, we will build this complete site for you. So if you want to buy this script or you need complete website, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us and buy this website. So in this video, first of all, we will see the demo of this website homepage, its products, and then we will log into its admin panel and we will see how we can control this complete site through admin panel. Let me clear you that you don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. You can easily control this site through admin panel. And the other amazing thing about this website is if you buy it from us, we will give you all the add-ons of this Active e-commerce script, which are very expensive, for free, and we will give you this complete website with all add-ons for free. So this is the latest offer, so don't waste much more time and buy this script. So first of all, let's see the demo of this website. So you can see the amazing look of this website, and here you can see its home page. You can change these banners, you can change everything through admin panel, and these here you can list all the categories from admin panel. Men clothes, you can sell computers, clothes, and goggles, kid toys, sports, outdoor, jewelry, and it is completely multi-vendor site, and sellers can also create their accounts to sell their own products. And you can see there are different categories of different products. You can see right here electronic products. You can list your blogs right here on this, and you can see the watches, shoes, and you can use this for any product you want to sell. So this is a very great and very amazing script, and you can see all those things right here. This is a footer panel, and you can completely change these things through admin panel. Here is a flash sale option. You can insert blogs on this website. So let me go to blog, and here you can insert blogs related to your products and other things. And here are all the brands. So you can also view all the brands that are selling their products on this website. You can see all the brands and list them from here. Here you can see all the categories, and so you can see all the categories right here in this section, and here are all the sellers. You can also view all the sellers that are selling their products right here on this website, and you can see all the cart balance from here. So this is the homepage of this website, and here you can see you can log in as seller, you can create account as seller, and when admin will approve your order, approve your seller account, you can easily sell your products on this website. Here you can see by clicking become a seller, you can create the account as a seller on this website. So you can easily create account as a seller, and if you want to log in as a user or register as a user, you can register as user from here. And here you can see different compare option, you can see search bar, and you can change logos, everything you can change it from admin. So let's log into our user panel and let's buy any product and see how we can buy products on this site. So let's go to login page. You can register on it, but I already have an account, so I'm directly clicking on login in order to log into this site. So here you can change these images, everything through admin panel. I am logging as demo user, so you can log in with email, and you can also log in with the password, phone number. So I'm logging in with my phone number right here, and I'm clicking on login, and it will log me into my user panel. So this is the user panel of this site. You can view all the products right here. So we are here in the product section. Here you can see your total dashboard. So let me go to the dashboard of this website. So this is the dashboard of user right here. You can see your total balance, total expenditures, and total club points. You can also use it as affiliate marketing site. So when user refer any product, user can earn commission, such as it is basically related to MLM site. User can earn commissions on this. Here you can see total products of carts, total products ordered, and here user can see some different products right here. And so let's explore some other functions. So there is purchase history option. You can view all your purchase history. Here you can view all your downloads. Here you can see all your refund requests, and you can request a refund from the admin. Here's a wish list. Here's the compare option, forward seller, auction, conservation. You can see your wallet and make changes in the wallet. You can recharge your money in your wallet. So when I click on wallet option, So you can easily recharge your wallet amount, and you can also recharge offline from here. So you can easily recharge money on this site. Here's the earning points. Here is affiliate. For example, if I want to see the affiliate system, so you can see all your affiliate system, payment history and withdraw history from here. Here's a sport ticket. User can communicate with admin, and here you can manage your profile and you can delete your account as well. So here you can also log out from this website. So this is a user panel of this site. For example, if I want to buy any product, now what will I do? So let's go to home page. And here, if I want to buy any product, for example, I want to buy an iPhone. So what I have to do is, I will click on add to cart, and here you can see the price of that Apple iPhone right here. And when I click on add it to cart, you can see that item has successfully added to your cart and its price is right here. And now what I have to do is, I will go to my cart right here. So this is my cart option, and you can see our product here. So now what we have to do is, I will just click on it, and here you can see add to cart, buy now. So I will click on buy now, and item. So here you can see that we have to fill these details. So this is our continue to shipping option. So you just have to click on continue shipping. Here you have to enter your address of shipping. You can add a new address. As I already having created an account, so my address is already right here in my account. So I will click on continue to delivery information. Here you can see your delivery information. You can deliver to home or local pickup, right? Anywhere you want to deliver, you can deliver it. So I will click on continue to payment. Here I have to pay for the product. So you can see all your payment details here. Here you can also apply a coupon code, and you can see all those all the famous gateways are here that can be used worldwide. You can use all of them to make the payment. So it's very easy to make payment on this side, and you can also create a local gateways. So when I click on complete order after payment, so I can easily product will be delivered to the required destination. So that was some other thing. So here is a confirmation option, and this is how you can easily buy any product on this website. So this is the user panel and this home page. We explored everything on this website, and now let's go to our admin panel and let's see how we can control this complete site from admin panel. So viewers, now we are here on the admin login page of our Active E-commerce website. So here I will enter all the details of admin, and when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So you can see the amazing admin panel of this website right here. Here you can see your total customers, total orders, total product categories, total product brands. Here you can see different graphs related to your sales and products from here. And what you have to do, so this is the dashboard of the admin, and here you can change all the admin details from profile option, and you can see different add-ons that are here. So you can see the payment management system is here. You can manage all the payment system and configurations. You can do it from here. Here are all the products. So here you can see all the products, and you can easily list products from here. So if you want any new products, you can list a product easily by clicking on add new product. And you can choose a seller, and you can easily add a product by filling all these details. So you have to give the details about products, price, pictures, everything you have to give, and then you can save and publish the product, and the product will be appeared on your site. And you can manage all the products related activities, digital products, in-house products, all products from here. So here are seller products. You can manage the seller products, bulk, and you can import products as a bulk. If you have data in Excel, you can easily import it. And if you want to save data, you can create categories of different products. You can create a brand, you can create attribute, colors, product reviews are explained, will be displayed here. And here is a add-on of auction. So here is a auction, you can sell the products. Here is a add-on of auction. So here you can see add a new auction product, all auction products you can see, and here is a wholesale. You can sell products on a wholesale right here from this using this add-on. And all these add-ons I will give it for free, but if you buy it from original site, you will get all these product add-ons for $25-50. And you can contact me. I will give you all these for free with the if you buy the complete script of this website. So here you can manage all the sales and you can manage all the sellers from here, and you can view all the seller orders, in-house orders, and pickup point orders from here. So here's a delivery boy option add-on, here's a refund add-on, here's a customers. You can manage all the customers and you can view the list of your customers. So this is a list of our customers and you can see all the pages right here, and here you can edit their details from here, you can manage them, you can delete them from here. So let's go to some other options. So there's a sellers option, you can manage all the sellers, you can create seller, you can pay them from here using this seller option. Here you can upload files, so there are all the reports related to different products. So these are all the report options, you can view all the reports related to different products, sellers, and all sales, etc. from here. Here is a blog system, you can manage all the blogs, you can insert different blog posts. For example, if I want to insert a blog post on my website, I can easily insert a blog post by clicking on add new post, and the post will be shown right here after updating from here. Here is a marketing option, you can market your products. So these are all the marketing tools are here. Here is a support option, there is a product conservation, product queries, tickets. User can basically communicate with admin using a support option. So this is an affiliate add-on, so this is very famous affiliate marketing add-on, and you will get it for free if you buy from us. So you can manage all the affiliate related activities from here. So if I want to configure affiliate configuration, so you can configure all the affiliate configuration from here. So if user will refer any other, user will get a percentage of 20% on the sales if the other user will buy the product. And you can set all these things from here on with every product, and it's completely your choice. You can turn it off, on, it completely depends on you. And you can see all the referred user, affiliate users, and affiliate logs from here. There is an offline payment add-on, you can use it for offline payments. There is an offline seller package, Asian payment gateways. So these all add-ons are for free for you if you buy it from us. There's a club point, here is a OTP system add-on, African payment gateway add-on, and here's a website setup. So you can change the header of website, you can change complete footer, pages, you can change complete appearances of website. For example, if I want to change the header, I can easily change the header from here. I can change the top banner, I can change the different banners that are on my website, I can change home page, links, categories, and I can add new pages if I want from here. Just click on new page and you can easily create a new page on your website. Similarly, you can change the footer section, you can change different pages. For example, if I want to change the pages, I can change pages from here, I can delete them, I can edit all the pages. So when I click on edit, I can easily edit all the pages. For example, you can see here are all the pictures that are on home page. I can easily edit them from here, and I can change all these images and details from here, this section. So this is how you can edit the complete website. It's a completely customizable site, you don't need any coding knowledge to control it. So let's see some general setting options. So from general setting, basically you can change the site title, system name, you can change it from here. You can change the logo from here. You can see this is a logo, you can browse and you can insert your own logo from your computer or PC, phone, anywhere. And background my admin login images pages, you can change it from here. And this is how you can change the general settings of the site. There are feature activation, language, you can insert any language that you want on this website. And there is a currency, you can change the currency, tax, point, SMTP, emails, payment methods. So let's go to payment methods. So you can see all the payment methods are right here, and you can insert your details and you can easily use this payment method on your website. Here are file system cache, order configurations, Facebook, Google, you can add your details from here. So this is a staff, you can insert multiple staff members on this website and they can control your site. And here's a system update and add-on managers, you can insert add-ons from here. So viewers, in this video I tried to give you a complete overview of this site. Now if you want to buy this script or if you need this complete website, you can contact us on both WhatsApp and Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us and buy this website from us. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.